Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Docs and signing into the account you'll use. Make sure you have editing rights. Once done, enable Docs AI features or install the official add-on and grant the minimal permissions. You should prepare a short outline inside the document, headings, target audience, and desired tone so the AI has context. Don't waste time tweaking fonts now. Begin with a clear prompt and structure so the AI can immediately generate useful content for the next steps. You now craft prompts that are specific and scoped, include examples, desired length, and tone so the AI knows exactly what to produce. Once the AI generates text, use inline comments to direct changes, point out phrasing to sharpen, sections to expand, or facts to verify. Make sure to request alternatives if you want different styles. As you iterate, use version history to compare outputs and restore earlier text when needed. This keeps control while exploring stronger drafts and prevents accidental losses. You finish by proofreading for accuracy and checking for hallucinations, verify any factual claims, and add citations where needed. Once satisfied, apply consistent formatting with find/replace, paragraph styles, and a final read allowed to catch tone issues. If the AI output stalls or drifts, reset the prompt to a simpler instruction, reload or reinstall the add-on, and try again. Often a shorter, clearer request fixes the issue. Remember to save a copy before large revisions to protect your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.